Welcome back to Autosport Designs. We have a beautiful May day here. We have a 1998 Aston Martin DB7 Volante. Volante in Aston Martin world means convertible. Beautiful. Pendle Black Metallic exterior finish. Dark tan interior. Pipe black. Hop on in. Do a cold start. Take it for a ride. So here we are in our 98 Aston Martin DB7 Volante. Key on, do a little cold start for you. Fires right up. Obviously fuel injected, so you didn't have to touch the throttle at all. As you can hear, we got a remote radar built into it. This car is very well optioned, including heated seats, front fog lights. This was the factory radio back in the day, the Alpine. It's got a CD changer in the trunk as well. Sorry, CD changer in the boot as well. So we'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, here we are in our 98 Aston Martin DB7 Volante. Got a little temperature in her. We're gonna run her through her paces a little bit. Great automatic gearbox. Thing tracks dead straight. Really, really nice working horn.
I would suggest that
working radio. Brakes feel good. Really nice dash layout in these cars too. Very informative. Got a nice big tack, speedo, oil pressure, water temperature, fuel gauge, and a voltmeter. Very informative. You have a tilt wheel too to help get comfortable. Again, this car is fitted with heated seats, fog lights in the bumper, which is really nice, power mirrors. It's a power top, very easy to put up and down, 2 manual latches, 1 on each side. We'll cut to a video of the top working. All right, so here we are. We're going to put the top down in our 98 DB7 Volante. You have 2 manual releases here. Lock them up, and you can hear also it's got aftermarket remote radar. Start the car up, handbrake up, top down. Back side windows go down all by themselves. Easy peasy. But this car, 17,000 mile, 1 owner car, just traded to us in a multi-car trade. Traded a couple of cars in. Really drives well. Great color combination also. Beautiful day for convertible, no less. So we'll come up here. We'll put her through her paces a little bit. I'll come up here and do a little handling trial here. Very nice. Good responsive steering. Suspension feels good. Very nice little car. Wow. Well, if I didn't feel like James Bond before, I definitely feel like James Bond now. So we'll come up here, we'll drop jack off, and we'll do some flybys for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Really feels like a 17,000 mile car you'd expect to drive. So solid and nice. Again, this beautiful May day we're experiencing here. Great day for convertible. Heated seat works really well. I got that up. Just a nice original car. Well optioned, great colors. Feels so good. We're gonna come up here to the farm road and we'll stretch our legs a little bit for you. All right, here we are. Come up farm road here. We'll put her through paces. Automatic shifts so nicely. You hear that supercharger whine just a little bit, which is so nice. Or you could hear the motorcycle go flying past us as well. But cruising at speed, it's such a nice experience. As I said before, Bond, James Bond. But I digress. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. I don't think I want to go back to the office right now. We may have to take an extended long way back. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment below, and we will catch you on the next one.